The Rubbermaid Brilliance Airtight Food Storage Container is the perfect solution for organizing your pantry and keeping your food fresh. With its modular design, this container can hold pasta, baking ingredients, or any other pantry staples, helping you save space and keep your pantry organized. Not only is it great for storing food, but it's also perfect for pet food. The container is easy to clean and allows you to easily scoop out food. The tight lids ensure that moisture and humidity are kept out, keeping your food fresh for longer. One of the standout features of this container is its airtight seal. The lids snap tight, helping to preserve the freshness of your food. Additionally, the crystal clear lids and bases make it easy to see what's inside, so you can quickly find what you need without having to open multiple containers. In terms of durability, the Rubbermaid Brilliance Airtight Food Storage Container is built to last. The thick, durable walls make it suitable for everyday use, and it can withstand being stored in the freezer. Plus, it's top-rack dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. As for safety, this container is BPA-free, giving you peace of mind. It includes one 16-cup container and lid, providing ample storage space for your needs. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. It's important to check compatibility before purchasing. Overall, the Rubbermaid Brilliance Airtight Food Storage Container is a smart and stylish choice for keeping your pantry organized and your food fresh. Its features, durability, and versatility make it a must-have for any kitchen. So go ahead and make your pantry the envy of all with this amazing storage solution. For more information and to purchase the product, you can visit the short link provided, https://amzn.to/3shrukwu.